What's up, guys? We are back in Hawaii with the whole gang. Look at that. First stop, alam mo na, ABC Store. Ito yung favorite store namin dito last time eh. Sa kakain, sabi mo nga, ABC Store. How many times did we go on ABC Store last time?
15 times?
15 times. Hello po. Kamusta po? Hi po kayo sa vlog ko.
No.
Ayaw ni tita magpa-vlog. Aloha. Mahalo. Para kayo magsasaka.
Magsasaka naman ako sa Pinas.
Okay naman eh. Say hi to them.
Hi, Maiden. Look, a heart, Daddy.
Oh, a heart. Good job, Emil. Paano yung heart? Let me see your heart. Where are you now? Where are you? Where are you again?
I'm good.
Good. Ikaw, Kuya Ethan. Where are you, Kuya Ethan? Where are you? Hawaii. Let's go. ABC Store. First stop. Check. We're gonna head to the beach para makita na nila yung Waikiki Beach. Let's go. Guys, remember 8 months ago, sinabi ko sa vlog ko na dadaling ko yung family ko dito sa Hawaii. My parents, my siblings. Thank you guys. Sorry I couldn't take you guys with us, but next time I'll take you guys. Trust me, I'll make it happen. Here they are. Made it a goal, made it happen. So kayo guys, if you have a goal and want to accomplish it, focus on that goal and trust me, you'll make it happen. Just like how I'm doing right now. Lahat sila nandito. Bayaw ko, pamangkin ko, mga ate ko, my parents, they're all here. Ganda oh. Kunyari bumili kayo dyan. Churo, turista oh. Turista oh. Atat na mag-swimming itong batan to oh. Hi Shella. Say hi to the vlog. Say hi. Say hi. Say hi. Ha? I'm videoing.
Why?
Ang tagal nila eh.
I just want to go to the beach and have
I know we're going now. He's so excited, guys. He wants to be on the beach already, in the water, the Hawaii water. Come on, ang tagal kasi nila eh. Guys, hindi impossible yung mga gusto nyo mangyari sa buhay. Lahat possible if you work hard for it. Look at them. Look at those people. Look at those. Those are my family. See? I made it happen, guys. Made it happen. So, kayo, kung gusto nyong dalhin yung pamilya nyo dito sa Hawaii o saan man yan, make sure to do the work, be consistent, and take risks. That's all you can do. And they're all here now because I took the risk. I've been consistent, and this is why we are all here. Oh, that one. Put this on. Remember this last time? I put this on. Oh, huh? We're in Hawaii. Oh, yeah. How you like my flower, Kaya Alice?
good.
Ethan, how do you like my flower?
Good.
Yeah? Gonna go to the beach? Yeah? To the water? Excited na excited.
Finally!
I know. Si Kuya Alice eh. Guys, it's only what? 8:12. Dami ng tao. Go guys. Magjowa oh. Here we are. Kung saan kami last time. Tuwan-tuwa na. Ayan na si Alice. Let's go. Ayan ang beach, guys. Wow, aloha. How's your first day? How's your first day, ha?
Thank you so much for bringing us here. Good.
Aloha, aloha, ha? Mahalo, mahalo. Sino mag-picture dito? Sino mag-picture? What's up?
What's up?
What's up? We're back at this big tree. You guys wanna take pictures? Ayaw na mga mag-picture na to, mga to. Almost here, guys. Kung saan kami una nag-swimming. Remember dito tayo una nag-swimming? We went down here.
Oh, really?
So you guys ready?
Yeah!
Ready?
Yeah!
Ready?
Yeah!
Let's go! We're here. Let's go! Let's go! Let's go to the water, Emil. Let's go. Let's go. To the water? No?
Let's go to
Yeah,
the
let's go.
water.
Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. With Daddy. Yay! Boom! We're back in Hawaii. Let's go. Woohoo! We're back in Hawaii.
Oh no!
Oh no, the wave! The wave again! Wave is coming! Whoa!
Help me! Help!
You got it, Ethan. Let's go.
I'm a man!
Yo, man! Let's go! Willis! Come here!
Hey, can you go closer so I can
Yeah, like last time.
Yeah.
Like last time. Hey, look at that. Look at the big waves. Look. Look. Whoa! What the? Whoa! Ayun na! Wait! Whoa! We're back! Hey, wait! Whoa! Oh, ba't umiiyak? La.
That's only water. Let's go. It's only water.
Hi, Olivia. Hi, Min. Alin?
Pupulitan kasi ako. Push mo.
Diyan mo anuhin.
Sige, kantahin mo na yung kapatid mo.
Arte-arte mo.
Pinagtulong.
I'm tourist. Cover your mouth. Close your mouth. Come on, Emil. Come here. Ayun ang shark. A shark. Ayun ang wave.
One, two.
Tourist! Ayan yung aming hotel dati. Ito. Ayan. Let's go! Hi, Emil! Where's the shark? Ayun na! Wave! Whoa!
Tak pala ha, sandali.
Look, you!
Ethan, come.
No,
I'm gonna throw you, yeah?
too much.
One,
Alis ka kuya.
two. Yeah, what the heck? You're supposed to go like this. One, two.
Si Elijah.
Ang bigatin ko yung lagi eh. One, two, three.
101 pounds na kasi. 101?
Oh, 101 pounds.
Ito.
Kaya mo ya?
One,
two. Nananahimik siya eh.
Mataas yan.
Bonaventure,
Ay, so, kakatapos lang namin mag-swimming sa beach. And our plan is to eat again or buy some iced coffee. It was fun, man. Super fun. Dito din, kumain kami dyan, no? Morimoto.
Wagyu, I'm gonna caramelize this spiced aioli here for you. Not very spicy, but very tasty. Oh,
Surf and turf. Bro. Oh, mahal din dyan. Oh, look at this.
Hey, how you doing, bro?
Good, how are you?
Your picture with the bird
No.
in your shoulder.
Ice coffee ba bibili natin? He's very hungry. You have fun swimming?
On 4.
Oh, baba, ang dami ah. Guys, we got our iced coffee. And Kuya Ellis got his. What do you have there, bro?
Got my sugar.
Wow, yummy?
Yes. That's right.
Yeah. Lunchtime. California roll. First time. What's that?
I don't know what to call this.
Ano daw yan? Good.
Bamasuri.
Yun.
Favorite ni Kuya Ellis.
Na-fell in love ka na ba sa Hawaii? Ano masasabi mo sa Hawaii?
Thanks for this opportunity.
Ano ka masasabi mo sa Hawaii?
A wonderful island.
Wow, island. Island boy!
Sa'yo lang.
Ano masasabi mo, tol?
Shit, maganda dito.
English!
English.
Very nice.
Very nice.
It's yeah.
It's saya. Saya.
Dati talaga mas marami pa yung mga homeless kung nagpunta kami. Siguro hindi rin season nila ngayon. Ganda na Hawaii, right? That's why I fell in love here.
Thanks for this treat. May God bless you. Mexico, here we come.
Yon, lilibre pala tayo sa Mexico. Nice.
Thanks so much.
Thank you so much. Ano masasabi naman yung second time mo na dito sa Hawaii?
Nice.
Yeah?
Ano pa lang eh, first full day today. Kaya hindi pa siya nagsisink in.
Right?
But as of 2:06 p.m., we are enjoying this time with our children.
There you go. Let's buy cake. Dito ka na pumunta, Titik. Saan ka pa pupunta? Holy shit.
Gusto mo? Try natin. Uy!
Punta na tayong cake kay Ate Tak. Birthday ni Ate Tak. Shout out to Ate Tak.
Ano pala eh? Yes, please.
Speak.
Sure. We'll get
20. Just kidding. No,
4.
5. Okay, 4. Sabi niya eh.
She gave you 5. Thank you.
Thank you. Ayun yung Kringles oh. Oh wow, may Kringles sila dito. Tubig Kringle. Oh, bili mo na. Try mo muna. Mas balik mo.
Free taste.
Free taste.
20% pa.
Kano lang binayaran ko? $7?
6. Yeah, 7.
Halos, thank you.
Ganda no? Kaya ako na-in love dito sa place.
Si Emil.
Emil. Shout out to you, Emil. Shave ice. Natikman nila Ethan yan eh. Tsaka ni Olivia, hindi titigil yun. Ayan po, tinan mo yung ano.
Buti nga sila na, nasakay sila.
Di ba? Sabi ko, kung magiging homeless ako, dito na ako magiging homeless. You like Hawaii?
Yeah.
You like Hawaii?
May nahulog, ano, yung $100 mo. Saan naglagay niya?
Ako.
Ang hirap sindihan.
Mapapaso ako. Sing. Sing, guys.
Sing!
Ito, wait lang.
Dahil sa'yo, nasa Hawaii tayo.
Salamat ka.
Thanks for the trip.
Ellis, Emil, come here. Where are we going?
We're going to a ramen for Tita Christine.
Christine's
Birthday.
birthday.
Daddy, can I have ramen?
Yeah, you can have.
My email.
Here's my Emil. Wait. Imagine he goes there by himself.
No.
That would have been bad, bro. He goes there by himself.
No, we wouldn't brought him out anyway.
Yeah, pero the
What if they
thing
weren't
is,
there?
yeah,
So that he's gonna get crying.
yeah, he's gonna cry by himself there.
No, well, we're gonna get him back.
Yeah, but it's gonna take a while.
Take a while.
Yeah. Aloha. Mahalo. Guys, nakita niyo naman pormahan namin pang diinan, no? Dito, guys. Para may-ari ng resort. Ganda ba, guys? Cute ba? Hi, guys. Ayun na, oh. Ayun na. Nasaway na ulit sila. Let's go. Happy birthday. Picture mo kami, please. Happy birthday, mom. Happy birthday. Nasaway. Ikaw na.
So
Adik kaya naman.
Let's go. How are you feeling, kuya? Hindi nga, masakit pa ulo mo? How are you feeling?
good.
Hindi na masakit ulo mo? Do you feel it?
I feel it, but it's not very aching. It's like a mosquito bite.
Okay. Emil, come here. Elijah, kuya. Elijah, kuya. Uy, ginagulat mo si Emil. He got him. Hey, Emil, look, picture here. Nagulat mo si Loco. Emil, go with Kuya Elijah. Kuya Elijah, hug him. So guys, we are having ramen para sa birthday ni Ate Christine. Ramen. What do you think, Kuya Alice? Good? Kuya Elijah, how's your food? Good? What about you, Kuya Alice? How's your food? Good? How about Emil? How's Emil's food? Ramen was good.
So good.
Ramen was so good, right, Olivia? Oh yeah, approved. 10 out of 10, yeah?
1 million.
1 million. Grabe naman si Olivia, 1 million. Now we're at International Market. What are we buying here?
Ice cream.
Ice cream. Wow, is that your favorite? Yeah. Okay.
Lola sick? Checking Lola.
Is Lola sick or no?
No.
Look, oh, there's cats. Let's go see the cats. Yeah, I mean, let's go see the cats. Look, oh. Ito, guys, may mga pusa. Ang dami. Cat cafe. But Kitty, look at the cats. Right there. Oh. Hi, cat. Hi, cat. Where are you going, cat? Sabi niya. Cat. Para si, Garfield. Si Garfield, this guy. Guys, let's go. Punta kami dito sa Magnolia. Dito kami last year kumain ng ice cream and mais con yellow. This one. Mami, naghihingalo na yung alam nyo. Yung bitonis yung sabi niya, naghihiwalay na sila. Pinipilit lang magsama pa din. Maawa naman kayo, sabi ng bitonis nyo.
I wanna try. No. Yeah. I wanna try.
Let Olivia try.
Okay, try first, Olivia. The shape ice. Just try it. Like it. Oh my god.
Si Emil, ube. Wow. Ube. Ube. Wow. How was it, Kaitan? Is it good?
Yeah, just share with us.
Anong lasa? Anong flavor?
Pineapple, lemon lime, and strawberry.
Hindi rin ba yan?
Like that.
Yeah? Hindi rin ba yung Okay, go. I call Ellis the meal.
Green lime is my favorite. I chose that for you. I like shaved ice. Thank you, Mama. Thank you, Daddy. Thank you.
So sweet.
Mama!
How was that? Good? What's that?
Chocolate.
Hey guys, great day. Pretty much second day natin dito sa Hawaii. We went swimming, breakfast, lunch.
Ramen.
We walked outside, tired.
mall. We had shaved ice.
Yeah.
That's
So, that's it for today's vlog.
Please like, comment, and subscribe and share this video.
Happy birthday,
Peace.
Tita
Thank you,
Christine.
Happy birthday.
Bye. See you tomorrow.
Peace.